Ready to shake up your fitness routine? Looking for something that challenges you in a fun and exciting way? Want to feel stronger, more balanced, and energized? Imagine an exercise that not only builds your physical strength, but also boosts your mental focus. Look no further than the humble handstand. This simple yet powerful move can transform your workout. This isn't just a cool party trick. It's a dynamic exercise that engages multiple muscle groups. Handstands are a fantastic full-body workout with a ton of benefits. They work your arms, shoulders, core, and even your legs. We're talking increased strength, improved balance, and a boost in confidence. Plus, they're fun. The sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. Who doesn't love feeling like a kid again? Handstands bring out the playful side in all of us. Let's dive into the amazing world of handstands and discover how they can transform your fitness journey. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Handstands might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, anyone can learn. With patience and practice, you'll get there. It's all about taking it step by step and celebrating small victories along the way. Each milestone is a step closer to mastering the handstand. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, there's a handstand variation for you. From wall-supported to freestanding, the options are endless. We'll explore different techniques and progressions to help you build the strength and confidence to conquer this awesome exercise. You'll learn how to safely and effectively practice. Get ready to turn your world upside down and unlock a whole new level of fitness. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey. Handstands are like a secret weapon for building serious strength. They target muscles you didn't even know you had. Think about it. You're holding your entire body weight up using just your arms and core. That's some superhero-level strength right there. Let's break down the muscles getting a workout. Your shoulders, triceps, and forearms are working hard to keep you stable and upright. Your core muscles, including your abs and back, are engaged to maintain balance and control. Even your legs and glutes are activated to keep your body aligned. It's a full-body workout in one awesome move. Regular handstands will help you build functional strength that translates to all areas of your life. You'll notice improvements in your everyday activities, from carrying groceries to playing sports. Get ready to feel the power. Balance is key, not just in handstands, but in life. Handstands are like a crash course in balance training. When you're upside down, your body has to work extra hard to find its center of gravity and stay upright. This constant adjustment strengthens the muscles responsible for balance and coordination. As you practice handstands, you'll notice improvements in your overall stability. You'll feel more grounded and sure-footed, whether you're walking on uneven terrain or simply navigating a crowded room. Improved balance can even reduce your risk of falls, which is especially important as we age. Handstands challenge your body's proprioception, which is your awareness of where you are in space. This heightened awareness translates to better coordination and agility in all your movements. Get ready to move with grace and confidence. Let's face it, working out shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be fun and energizing. That's where handstands come in. They bring an element of playfulness and challenge to your fitness routine. Remember the feeling of accomplishment when you first learned to ride a bike or swim? Handstands evoke that same sense of joy and accomplishment. Each attempt is an opportunity to learn and grow. You'll surprise yourself with your progress and have a blast along the way. Handstands also encourage you to connect with your inner child. Embrace the silliness, the laughter, and the pure joy of moving your body in new and exciting ways. When you're having fun, you're more likely to stick with your fitness routine. So, ditch the boring workouts and inject some handstand fun into your life. Section 5. Brain Boost. The mental benefits of handstands. Handstands aren't just good for your body. They're amazing for your mind, too. Inverting yourself can actually have a positive impact on your mental health and well-being. When you're upside down, blood flow to the brain increases, which can improve cognitive function, memory, and focus. Handstands also require intense concentration and focus, which helps to quiet the mind and reduce stress. It's like a moving meditation, allowing you to escape the constant chatter of your thoughts and find a sense of calm and clarity. Plus, the feeling of accomplishment you get from nailing a handstand is a major confidence booster. It teaches you to believe in yourself and your abilities, both on and off the mat. Conquering fear, building confidence. One handstand at a time. Let's be real, handstands can be a little scary at first. The fear of falling is totally normal, but don't let it hold you back. Overcoming that fear and mastering the handstand is incredibly empowering. It teaches you to face challenges head-on and believe in your ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. Each time you kick up into a handstand, you're stepping outside of your comfort zone and building resilience. You'll learn to embrace the wobbles, the falls, and the imperfections along the way. Remember, every expert handstander was once a beginner. With practice, patience, and a positive attitude, you'll conquer your fears and unlock a whole new level of confidence. Get ready to feel unstoppable. Tips for beginners. Ready to give handstands a try? Awesome! Handstands are a fun and challenging way to build strength and improve balance. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Find a wall. A wall is your best friend when starting out. It provides support and helps you get comfortable with the feeling of being upside down. Plus, it can prevent you from toppling over. 2. Start with pike poses. Pike poses are a great way to build strength and prepare your body for handstands. From a standing position, walk your feet back until your body forms an L shape. This position engages your core and shoulders. Hold for a few seconds and gradually increase the duration over time. Consistency is key here. 3. Practice against the wall. Stand facing a wall, about an arm's length away. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor and kick one leg up towards the wall. This helps you get used to the motion. Once you feel balanced, try to bring the other leg up to meet it. This step can take some time, so be patient. 4. Don't be afraid to fall. Falling is part of the learning process. Make sure you have enough space around you and use a soft surface if possible. This can help prevent injuries. 5. Be patient and consistent. Mastering handstands takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. Everyone progresses at their own pace. Just keep practicing and celebrate your progress along the way. Each small victory is a step towards mastering the handstand. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process and have fun with it. With dedication and practice, you'll be handstanding like a pro in no time. Keep pushing your limits and stay motivated. The effort you put in will pay off. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. It's all part of the journey. Just keep practicing and celebrate your progress along the way. Happy handstanding. Mastering the basics. Progressions for handstand success. Once you've got the hang of kicking up against the wall, it's time to start working towards freestanding handstands. This transition is crucial as it builds the foundation for more advanced movements. Here are some progressions to help you build strength and confidence. First, wall walks. These are excellent for developing shoulder strength and stability. Start in a push-up position facing the wall. Ensure your hands are firmly planted on the ground. Walk your feet up the wall as you walk your hands closer to the wall. This movement should be controlled and deliberate. Hold for a few seconds at the top and slowly walk back down. This helps in building endurance. Next, shoulder taps. From a handstand against the wall, Try lifting one hand off the ground and tapping the opposite shoulder. This drill is great for enhancing balance and coordination. This helps improve balance and core strength. Then, freestanding holds. These are essential for mastering the handstand. With a spotter or in front of a soft surface, try kicking up into a handstand and holding it for as long as you can. This will help you get comfortable with the position. Focus on engaging your core and pointing your toes. Proper form is key to maintaining balance. After that, handstand walks. Once you can hold a freestanding handstand for a few seconds, try taking small steps forward and backward. This will further challenge your balance and control. Finally, advanced variations. As you progress, you can explore more challenging handstand variations, such as handstand push-ups, handstand hops, and even handstand walking on parallettes. These advanced moves will test your strength and agility to the fullest. Finding your flow. Integrating handstands into your routine. Handstands can be easily incorporated into your existing fitness routine. Here are a few ideas. 1. Warm-up. Start your workout with a few wall walks or pike holds to activate your shoulders and core. 2. Strength training. Incorporate handstand holds and progressions into your strength training routine. For example, try doing a set of handstand holds after your push-ups or squats. 3. HIIT workouts. Add handstand bursts to your high-intensity interval training workouts. For example, do a 30-second handstand hold followed by a 30-second rest period. 4. Yoga practice. Handstands are a common pose in yoga. Include them in your yoga practice to build strength, balance, and flexibility. 5. Active rest days. On your rest days, practice your handstand progressions for a fun and challenging way to stay active. Listen to your body. Handstand safety and precautions. While handstands are generally safe for most people, it's important to listen to your body and take precautions to prevent injuries. Here are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Warm up properly. Always warm up your wrists, shoulders, and core before attempting handstands. 2. Start slowly. Don't try to do too much too soon. Gradually increase the duration and intensity of your handstand practice. 3. Use proper form. Maintain a straight line from your wrists to your shoulders and hips. Engage your core and point your toes. 4. Don't hold your breath. Remember to breathe deeply throughout your handstand practice. 5. Stop if you feel pain. If you experience any pain, stop immediately and consult with a healthcare professional. The Handstand Challenge. A 30-day journey to strength and balance. Ready to take your handstand practice to the next level? Try this fun and challenging 30-day handstand challenge. Week 1. Focus on building strength and stability with wall walks, pike holds, and handstand holds against the wall. Week 2. Start working on freestanding handstands with a spotter or in front of a soft surface. Try to increase the duration of your holds. Week 3. Challenge yourself with handstand progressions, such as shoulder taps and handstand walks. Week 4. Put it all together and see how long you can hold a freestanding handstand. Celebrate your progress and keep practicing. Celebrate your handstand successes. Learning to handstand is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, wobbles and falls, but the most important thing is to enjoy the process and celebrate your successes along the way. Remember, every little victory brings you one step closer to achieving your goals. So keep practicing, have fun, and embrace the transformative power of handstands.